I'll give one more pattern. Tell me for that one what is the logic. Tell me for that one what is the logic. I'm giving the number 20. So what is that means? So first only one is displaying, then two is displaying, then three is displaying, then only four, then five guys. All of you. For this one, can you guess now? What is the I is fixed always? I loop I range is fixed. The thing is only J loop range and print. All of you. The only thing you have to think is J loop plus that print. That's all. Let me guys know all of you. So we take what here pattern 20. Before that one, right here. All of you, can you guess now? You can guess easily. We done so many programs, right? We done so many programs, and for every program you're attending, you can easily guess now. You can easily guess, guys. All of you. You can easily guess that logic. So it's also same guys like previous one, number of iterations, right? Iterations wise, same previous one also same. Like when I value 1, J, how many times iterating? 5 times. When I value 2, right? So I1, I will take I2, I3, I4, and I5. Right. So, let me guys know J. What about the J here? What about the J? So, this is what now? This is what J1, then J2, J3, J3, right? And this is what J4, and this is the J5. Okay, J5, right? And here also we'll take it. But here only J 1 to 4 only, guys. Okay, J 1 to 4 only, right? And here also just J 1 to 3 only. Right. And finally, which one? J1, right? J1, guys. Same previous one, okay? Right. And here, iterations, guys, any change? Iterations wise, same, that 18th, 19th, this 20, same iterations, right? All of you. Iterations wise, same here. So, when I, and this is what, this is the J. So, when I value 1, J is what now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value 2, J is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. When I value 3, J is what? 1, 2, 3. Right? When I value 4, J is what? Just 1, 2. 1, 2. When I value 5, J is what? Just 1, guys. Just 1. That's all. All of you. Now, let's go to the program. Let's go to the program, guys. Tell me now, all of you, what do we do here? Input of enter n number of rows. Okay. We'll take here. Then I'll take the n equal to. For I in what now? For I in the range. All of you, what is the range now? 1 comma n plus 1 means 1 to 5. Again, again for J in range of what? Here also now first 5 times 4 times, right? So we'll take now n plus 2 minus I, right? N plus 2 minus I, then print. So what I want display now, tell me here. What I want display? What I want display, right? Same, this is same guys. When I value 1, what are the j's? What are the j here? When I value 1, j 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times iterating, right? 5 times iterating. When I value 2, j is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like above, same guys. When I value 3, how many times? 1, 2, 3. When I value 4, how many times here? Just 1, 2. When I value 5, when I value 5, only one iteration here. But each time when I value 1, so j 5 times iterating, those 5 times also I want display I value. I want display I value. Next, second time, j iterating how many times now? J iterating 4 times, but this 4 times also what I want display? 2. 2 means I value, again I value. Next, j 3 times, when I value 3, j 3 times, the 3 times what I want display? I value, 3 displaying, right? Next, when I value 4, j 2 times iterating, those 2 times also what display? I value display. That means every time display what? I, okay? That's all. Then at the end, we'll take empty print, right? Empty print, guys. I take the 5, that's all of you. What I'm taking there, right? So these are just basic things, guys. These are all are the just basic pattern. These all are. Now, all of you guys, let me know. Everybody's clear this one? All of let me know. This one, everybody's clear? All of you guys. If all are clear, then okay, let's go to the a new one. That new one is different, guys. Not this much same. That this much easy. That new one is different. Tell me, all of you. All of you guys, if you're clear, you go for the new one. All of you, I forgot to observe here. 1k how many times? 6 times, right? 1k how many times? 6 times. That means here maybe this loop, observe now. Oh, Allah forgot the starting value, right? Starting value. It is taking from 0 onwards by default. 0 to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 6 coming there. All of you guys observe, right? You forgot what now? Starting value you forgot. If you don't take the starting value, what is default starting value? 0. So it's taking from where? Taking from the 0 onwards. Now how many came here? How many came? 6 came, right? That's why 6 times the tie coming. Okay. So starting I want from where? I want from the 1 onwards. 1 onwards. Then how many times it comes now? It comes only 5 times. Becomes only 5 times. All of you observe. All of you guys. All of you guys. It's clear now? Right. Okay. So now